Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by inspecting the Beyblade for obvious damage, cracks, stripped screws, bent tips. Once done, remove the launcher and ripcord and keep screws in a container so nothing disappears. You should test spin the assembly by hand to feel excess friction. That tells you whether bearings or the tip need cleaning. Make sure to note any stripped teeth on gears so you can replace them. This first sweep saves time later and prevents repeated disassembly. You carefully unscrew and separate the metal wheel, spin gear, and performance tip, keeping parts organized. Once separated, soak non-electronic parts in warm soapy water for 10 minutes, then dry completely. Use isopropyl on bearings and gear teeth to remove gummy residue. When you reassemble, check spring tension and replace any weakened launcher spring so you regain launch power. Make sure to align gear teeth precisely. Misalignment causes rattling and poor spin efficiency. You reassemble the Beyblade, tightening screws snugly without stripping threads, then perform 5 controlled launches to evaluate spin time and stability. If you notice wobble, check tip alignment and that the metal wheel sits flush. If spin is short, inspect the launcher spring and engagement teeth. Make sure to swap suspected faulty parts one at a time so you isolate the problem. If nothing fixes it, a single key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.